Hi friends, how are you? By blessings of God, you are doing well. So this is Dr. A B JENA, faculty member, PG Department of Business Management, Fakirimon University, Ouxabay, Balasore, Odisha. Friends, once again I am welcome to all of you to your channel, to my channel, Dr. A B JENA classes. Friends, आज हम डिस्कशन करेंगे the 60 vital MCQs from the auditing, and friends, I have prepared this 60 MCQs as per the prescribed syllabus of SSB for the subject of commerce. So friends, आज का डिस्कशन भी बहुत यूजफुल एंड इंटरेस्टिंग होगा, particularly those who are going to appear the semester examination so far as the bcom and mcom as well as mfc and icwa and ca फाउंडेशन कोर्स के लिए आज का डिस्कशन भी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग एंड यूजफुल होगा, पर्टिकुलरली दोज हु आर गोइंग टू अपीयर द यूजीसी नेट जेआरएफ एग्जामिनेशन इन द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ कॉमर्स एंड अदर रिलेटेड सब्जेक्ट. सो आज का डिस्कशन भी बहुत यूजफुल एंड इंटरेस्टिंग होगा, पर्टिकुलरली दोज हु आर रियली प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर द lectureship in the subject of commerce, either that is Odisha Public Service Commission or the university level, or in the case of that is the PGT. So friends, without wasting our valuable time and golden time, so we will start our discussion one by one of 60 MCQs from the auditing. Friends, I am requesting to all of you during the discussion, if any mismatch or gap you will find, kindly you give your valuable comment and a suggestion in the comment section. So क्या बात है, so आज का डिस्कशन शुरू हो जाए without wasting our golden time. Friends, ये है पार्ट 7. I have already posted part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5, part 6, and it's a part 7, and very soon you will get the part 8 on income tax. So friends, so we'll start. The first one MCQ क्या है, in India the audit of company accounts was made mandatory, मतलब compulsory in which year? Whether A 1914, B 1947, C it's 1956, D it's 1964. Friends, A मतलब 1947 the audit of the company was made mandatory in the year 1914. So A is the right option for this MCQ. So friends, हमको पता होना चाहिए what is the meaning of audit. So audit is a process or through the review of a financial statement, मतलब that is the profit and loss and assets and balance sheet and other aspects with regard to the financial aspects of a company to ensure the financial records are fair and accurate. So आगे हम चर्चा करें the various aspects and concepts of auditing. So kindly you stay with me, डोंट स्किप द वीडियो टिल एंड तक आप जरूर देखिए और एकेडमी का मजा लीजिए. सो नेक्स्ट वन हम देखेंगे पर्टिकुलरली हु issues the standards of auditing in India, whether A it's the Institute of Cost Accountants of India, B whether the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, C central government, D it's a company law board. No doubt friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India issues the standards of auditing in India with regard to audit the financial aspects of a business firm or a company. So next one हम देखेंगे क्या है, the work of management audit starts when audit ends. कब management audit शुरू हो रहा है, whether A statutory audit, B it's the financial audit, C it's the social audit, D it's the environmental audit. So friends, आइए हम चर्चा करेंगे what is the meaning of a management audit. The audit which analyze, मतलब the management audit analyze and assesses of the competency and capability of a company's management to carry out the corporate objectives known as क्या है, the management audit. So friends, here the B is the right option for this MCQ. The work of management audit starts when the financial audit ends. So B is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे which sections of Indian Companies Act 2013. Friends, you have to remember what is the Indian Companies Act or year of Indian Companies Act. It's the 2013. Friends, for your kind information, so I have already posted two separate video, so on auditing and another for PGT. Kindly go through the posted video. Definitely you will know more and more. Requires every auditor to comply with the accounting standards, whether section 143 subsection 3, whether section 143.5, whether section 143.7, whether it's the section 143.9. So friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब the section 143 and subsection 9 of Indian Companies Act 2013 requires every auditor to comply with the standards. So D is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे the management audit must have the thorough and depth knowledge of what? A, its costing system. B, it's the techniques of production. C, it's the financial accounting. D, it's all of these. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. So management audit must have the thorough and depth knowledge, not only the costing system but also the techniques of production as well as the financial accounting. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे the audit which integrates the accounting, auditing and investigate the typing error, investigate the skills to make the investigations in variety or various types of fraud cases, and it's known as क्या है? A, it's external audit. B, it's the financial audit. C, it's the forensic audit. D, it's the management audit. So friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. दोबारा मैं रिपीट करता हूँ, the audit which integrates, मतलब the forensic audits integrates the accounting, auditing and investigate skills to make the investigation in variety or various types of fraud cases, and it's known as क्या है? Forensic audit. So C is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे कौन सा है और which one is an inspection and in-depth examinations of a final account, whether A, it's vouching, B, it's internal checking, C, it's the investigation, D, it's the auditing. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब investigation is an inspection and in-depth examinations of the final accounts. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. When the employees of one organization are assigned to perform the activities of another organization, so this process or this practice or this system is called what? और क्या है? Whether A, it's transfer of employee, B, it's outsourcing, C, it's promotion, D, it's both A and B. Friends, so here the answer is B. When the employees of one organization are assigned to perform the activities of another organization, so this process is called the क्या है? Outsourcing. So next one हम देखेंगे auditing has been derived from the Latin word. कौन सा है? Whether checking, it's investigation, C, it's that is the audit, D, it's vouching. No doubt, friends. So C is the right option for this MCQ. So next one is which audit or कौन सा audit evaluates the social performance of a business or company, whether A, it's management audit, B, it's a social audit, C, it's the environmental audit, D, it's the efficiency audit. No doubt, friends. So B is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब social audit evaluates the social performance of a business or a company. So next one हम देखेंगे the management audit is useful and essential for a good employee relationship, B, it's the assistance to management, C, it's the suggestions towards targets, D, it's all of these. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. So management audit is useful and essential to make the good relationship with your employee, as well as assistance to make assistance to management, as well as to suggest towards to achieve the target or objective. So D is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे कौन सा section of Income Tax Act. Friends, so you have to remember Income Tax Act is 1961, lists out all the relevant requirements to carry the income tax audit according to this act. So कौन सा section, whether 42 AB, 43 AB, C, 44 AB, 45 AB, no doubt friends. So C is the right option for this MCQ. So 44 AB sections of Income Tax Act 1961 list out all the relevant requirements to carry the income tax audit according to this act, मतलब that is the Income Tax Act 1961. So next one हम देखेंगे when a transaction is completely omitted from recording in the accounts, it's known as क्या है, whether A it's error of commission, B it's error of omission, C it's the compensating error, D it's all the above, no doubt friends. So B is the right option for this MCQ. When a transaction is completely omitted from recording in the accounts or books of accounts, it's regarded as or known as or called as क्या है, error of omission. So next one हम देखेंगे if a taxpayer fails to maintain the accounting records as per the provision of 44 AA of Income Tax Act 1961, then the maximum penalty will be, what would be the penalty amount may be levied or charged under the section of 271A of Income Tax 1961. Whether A it's rupees 25,000, B it's rupees 50,000, C it's rupees 75,000, D it's rupees 1 lakh. No doubt friends. So A is the right option for this MCQ. So in this situation, the assessee will pay the penalty rupees 25,000 according to section 270A of Income Tax Act 1961. So A is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे the report of cost audit is submitted to whom? A it's company law board, B it's the government, C it's the company, D it's all of this. So here what is the right option will be, what is this, that is the D. मतलब the report of the cost it is submitted to company law board as well as the government and company to all. So friends, so here हमको little bit हम चर्चा करेंगे what is the meaning of a cost audit. So cost audit is the specific application of auditing principles and procedures in the field of cost accounting. So according to the definition given by the CIMA London, and the verification of a cost accounts and check on the adherence to the cost accounting plan. So it's the meaning or the definitions of a cost audit. So next one हम देखेंगे consumer audit is the part of कौन सा audit, whether A it's management audit, B it's income tax audit, C it's the social audit, D it's the environmental audit. No doubt friends. So C is the right option for this MCQ. Consumer audit is the part of social audit. So C is the right option for this MCQ. So next one MCQ हम देखेंगे the audit which is conducted usually between two annual audits. Between two annual audits, it's known as or it's called क्या है, हम क्या बोलेंगे, whether it's internal audit, B it's the final audit, C it's the interim audit, D it's the continuous audit. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. The audit which is conducted usually between two annual audits, it's known as क्या है, interim audit. So next one हम देखेंगे in India the cost audit was initially introduced in कौन सा year में हुआ था, whether it's introduced हुआ था, it's A 1947, B it's 1956, C it's 1964, D it's 1965. No doubt friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. In India, the cost audit was initially introduced in which year? It is 1965. So next one हम देखेंगे, an auditor in general is known as the agent of किसका? A whether the central government, it's the shareholder, it's the creditor, D it's the board of director. Friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. दोबारा मैं रिपीट करता हूँ, एन ऑडिटर इन जनरल इज नोन एज द एजेंट ऑफ शेयर होल्डर. सो नेक्स्ट वन हम देखेंगे, आफ्टर कंप्लीशन द कॉस्ट ऑडिट द ऑडिटर सबमिट्स द ऑडिट रिपोर्ट टू द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट विद इन हाउ मेनी डेज? whether it's 60 days, B 90 days, C it's 100 days, D it's 120 days. Friends, so it's D is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब after completion the cost audit, the auditor or cost auditor will submit the audit report to the central government within 120 days. So D is the right option for this MCQ. A vacancy caused by resignation of the auditor is usually filled by कौन? Whether A central government, B it's the at the general meeting of the shareholders, C it's the company law board, D it's the board of directors. Friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. A vacancy caused by resignation of the auditor is usually filled by the shareholders in the annual general meeting of the shareholders. So B is the right option for this MCQ. The final audit refers to क्या है? A or the final audit is related to A audit of final reports, B it's checking the books of accounts to know the frauds, C it's audit of balance sheet at the end of the financial year, D it's none of these. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. Final audit refers to क्या है? To audit of balance sheet at the end of the financial year. So C is the right option for this MCQ. Friends, so fixed assets are generally valued at कौन सा प्राइस में? whether A it's the cost less depreciation, B it's the cost price, C it's the market price, D it's none of these. Friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. Fixed assets are generally valued at a cost less depreciation. So it's the common question you may get, what is the meaning of fixed assets? आइए फ्रेंड्स थोड़ा चर्चा करेंगे. What is fixed assets? So fixed assets a long term tangible piece of property or equipment that a firm owns and uses in its operation to generate income. So friends, so fixed assets are those assets which are used by a company or the business firm in order to enhance the earning capacity, मतलब revenue of a firm or a business or a company. So next one हम देखेंगे, payment for purchasing a building will be verified with the help of कौन सा document? कौन सा document? So A invoice, B it's money received, C is the title deed, D it's none of these. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. Payment for purchasing a building will be verified with the help of title deed by an auditor. So C is the right option for this MCQ. So next one, in a government company, the first auditor will be appointed by whom? So whether A central government, B it's the company law board, C it's the comptroller and auditor general of India. Friends, so you have to remember CAG. CAG stands for A it's A, C stands for that is the comptroller, A stands for that is the auditor, G stands for general, and D it's the register of the company. No doubt friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. In government company, the first auditor will be appointed by CAG. Then friends, so you have to know, हमको पता होना चाहिए what is the meaning of a government company. So government company, or it is a company in which more than 50% of paid of capital is held by the central government or state government, or jointly held by the central and the state government. It's the meaning of the government company. So next one हम देखेंगे floating assets. Friends, what is the meaning of floating assets? हम चर्चा करेंगे. So first है So floating assets are those assets which are continuously changeable in, typing error is there friends, so typing in quantity and or value. Examples of floating assets: bills receivable, cash, inventory, outstanding shares, etc. Come to our discussion. So floating assets of a business or company are usually valued at a कौन सा प्राइस में, whether market price or cost price, whichever is higher, B it's the market price or cost price which is less, C it's the book value, D it's none of above friends. So B is the right option for this MCQ. The floating assets of a business or a company are usually valued at market price or cost price, whichever is लेस. सो नेक्स्ट वन हम देखेंगे, when an auditor do not perform his audit work, it's regarded as a क्या है, whether A it's misleading, B it's the negligence, C it's the misfeasance, D it's non cooperation. So friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. When an auditor do not perform his audit work, it is regarded as क्या है, misfeasance. So C is the right option for this MCQ. Next one हम देखेंगे, an audit which is done compulsory by the law, it is known as क्या है, whether it's interim audit, B it's the final audit, C it's the statutory audit, D it's the continuous audit. No doubt friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. An audit, दोबारा मैं repeat करता हूँ, an audit which is done compulsorily by the law, मतलब Indian Companies Act 2013, it is known as क्या है, statutory audit. So C is the right option for this MCQ. The material errors and frauds found at the audit are recorded in where? A, whether the audit notebook, B it's the audit working paper, C it's the audit program, D it's none of above. No doubt friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. दोबारा मैं repeat करता हूँ, the material errors and frauds found at the time of audit, the auditor will maintain or record in where? In audit notebook. So A is the right option for this MCQ. Next one हम देखेंगे, dash और कौन सा है backbone of auditing. A it's whether the vouching, B it's the bookkeeping, C it's the checking, D it's the inspection. No doubt friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. So vouching is the backbone of auditing. So A. So next one हम देखेंगे, a written plan containing the details regarding to the conduct of a particular audit is known as, or it is regarded as क्या है, whether it's a audit planning, B it's the audit program, C it's the audit working paper, D it's the all the above. No doubt friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. दोबारा मैं रिपीट करता हूँ, a written plan containing the details regarding to the conduct of a particular audit, it's known as क्या है, it's the audit program. So next one हम देखेंगे, an arrangement in which the works of one employee are checked by another employee and it is known as क्या है, whether it's internal audit, B it's the final audit, C it's the internal check, D it's the verification. Friends, so it's C is the right option for this MCQ. So here दोबारा मैं repeat करता हूँ, an arrangement in which the works of one employee are checked by another employee, it's known as what is this internal check. Friends, in a separate video we will discuss in detail what is the basic difference between internal audit and internal check and the types of audit. So next one हम देखेंगे, the audit which is conducted as per the desires of the owners but not as per the statutory requirements, it's known as क्या है, whether it's a कौन सा टाइप ऑडिट है, ए इट्स प्राइवेट ऑडिट, बी इट्स परफॉर्मेंस ऑडिट, सी इट्स द इंटरवल ऑडिट, डी इट्स द पार्शियल ऑडिट. नो डाउट फ्रेंड्स, सो ए इज द राइट ऑप्शन फॉर दिस MCQ. द इंटरेस्टिंग MCQ, दोबारा मैं रिपीट करता हूँ, एन ऑडिट व्हिच इज कंडक्टेड एज पर द डिजायर्स ऑफ द ओनर बट नॉट एज पर द स्टैट्यूटरी रिक्वायरमेंट्स, इट्स नोन एज क्या है, प्राइवेट ऑडिट. सो नेक्स्ट वन हम देखेंगे, बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द ऑडिट एन ऑडिटर विल assimilate the information with regard to क्या है, whether it's the knowledge of accounting system, B it's audit of the objectives, C it's the nature and scope of assigned, D it's all of these friends. So D is the right option for this MCQ. Before starting the audit, the auditor will assimilate the information with regard to not only knowledge of accounting system but also audit of the objectives as well as the nature and scope of assignment. So D is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे कंट्रोलर एंड ऑडिटर जनरल इज अपॉइंटेड बाय whom, whether A it's the President of India, B it's the Prime Minister of India, C it's the Company Law Board, D it's all the above. No doubt friends, A is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब CAG is appointed by President of India. So A is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे vouchers are related to what aspects? A it's the cash payments, B it's the cash receipts, it's the credit transaction, D it's all of these. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. So vouchers are like the cash payments as well as the cash receipts and other credit transactions of a business firm or a company. So next one हम देखेंगे the periodic exemptions of books of accounts of a business firm or a company by its employee in the capacity of auditor is known as क्या है, whether internal audit. No doubt friends, so this will be the internal audit. So this will not be the final audit as well as this will not be the interim audit or a continuous audit. So A is the right option for this MCQ. So friends, once again I am repeating, the periodic exemptions of the books of accounts of a business firm or a company by its employee in the capacity of auditors is known as क्या है, internal audit. So next one हम देखेंगे an auditor should compare the purchase return book with the dash sent by the suppliers of the goods or creditors of the goods, whether A it's the debit notes, B it's the credit notes, C it's the audit notes, D it's the invoices. Friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. An auditor should compare the purchase return book with the credit notes sent by the supplier. So B is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे audit notebook shows what? The property of the auditor. Notes relating to items requiring the explanation and a clarification. B it's the details of work done by an auditor. C it's the reference of various dates. D it's all of these friends. So D is the right option for this MCQ. The audit notebook shows क्या है, notes relating to the items requiring the explanation and a classification as well as the details of the work done by auditor and also the reference of various dates. So next one हम देखेंगे auditor is a watchdog and not a bloodhound. Such statement has been made in the case of कौन सा company, whether it's the Reliance Industries Limited, it's the Steel Authority of India Limited, C it's the Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited, D it's the Kingston Cotton Mills Company. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. So दोबारा मैं रिपीट करता हूँ, an auditor is a watchdog and not a, that is the bloodhound. Such statement has been made in the case of Kingston Cotton Mills Company. So D is the right option for this MCQ. So management audit is also known as हम क्या बोलेंगे management audit को. A it's a final audit, B it's the efficiency audit, C it's the balance sheet audit, D it's the social audit. No doubt friends. So here in serial that is the mistake. So here friends, so B is the right option. मतलब so management audit is otherwise known as क्या है, efficiency audit. So B is the right option for this MCQ. So next one, the destructions of bills and vouchers by an auditor is a what types of offense or liability? A it's a criminal offense, B it's the criminal liability, C it's the financial liability, D it's a none of above. Friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. Destruction of bills and vouchers is a criminal liability. So B is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे vital MCQ. The audit or an audit which refers to the evaluation the performance of a business or a company against the planned objectives and goals in the area of social responsibility, and it is called or known as क्या है और कौन सा टाइप ऑडिट है, whether it's a concurrent audit, be it's the cost audit, it's a social audit, it's the management audit, no doubt friends. So C is the right option for this MCQ. दोबारा मैं रिपीट करता हूँ, the audit which refers to the evaluation the performance of a business or company against the planned objectives and goals in the area of social responsibility, it is regarded as or known as क्या है social audit. So C is the right option for this MCQ. Then the continuous audit is especially necessary to कौन सा टाइप कंपनी, whether it's a trading company, be it's a banking company, C it's the retailing business, D it's the manufacturing company friends. So B is the right option for this MCQ. The continuous audit is especially necessary to banking companies. So B is the right option for this MCQ. Next one हम देखेंगे, a cost auditor submits the report to whom. So it's whether that is the central government, B it's the board of directors, so C it's the company law board, D it's the shareholder. No doubt friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. So previously friends we have already discussed one MCQ. So here the cost auditor will submit the report to the board of directors. So B is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे, an auditor. So an auditor will conduct an in-depth examination in which errors, whether the errors of commission, B it's the errors of omission, C it's the compensating errors. So D is all of these friends. So D is the right option for this MCQ. So the an auditor will conduct an in-depth examination in not only the errors of commission but also error of omissions as well as the compensating errors. So D is the right option for this MCQ. Friends, so icai, so it stands for what is this? I stands for institute, C stands for a charter, A stands for what is this? That is the accountant, and I stands for India. So the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India Act is in which year, or the year of ICAI Act is क्या है, whether it's 1947, B it's 1948, C it's 1949, D it's 1950 friends. So C is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखें, management audit is dash in nature by nature, whether it's continuous, B it's voluntary, C it's statutory, D it's compulsory friends. So B is the right option for this MCQ. So management audit is voluntary, it's not that is the compulsory or statutory, it's voluntary. So B is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखें, when business transaction is partially or wholly recorded wrongly in the books of accounts of a firm or a company, and it's known as क्या है, or which types of error, whether a error of commission, B it's error of omission, C it's the compensating error, D it's error of principal. So friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. When a business transaction is partial or wholly recorded wrongly in the books of account, it's known as क्या है, error of commission. So next one हम देखेंगे, an audit is specially designed to check and evaluate the effectiveness of environmental management system. It is known as, no doubt friends, so environment word is there, definitely this will be the environmental audit. So C is the right option for this MCQ. दोबारा मैं रिपीट करता हूँ, an audit is special designed to check and evaluate the effectiveness of environmental management system, and it is known as क्या है, the environmental audit. So next one हम देखेंगे, an audit of a business or company usually conducted in which basis, whether A it's a monthly, B it's a quarterly, C it's the half yearly, D it's a yearly. No doubt friends, so audit is always conducted or audit books of accounts are audited normally in yearly basis. So D is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे, so GAS stands for क्या है, whether A generally accepted auditing standards, B general accepted auditor standards, C it's a generally accepted general accepted accounting standards, DEC, that is the general adopted accountant standards. So friends, so here, so A is the right option for this MCQ. So generally accepted auditing standards. So A is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे which one is the in-depth examination and inspection of a final account of a business firm or a company. Whether A it's a housing, B it's the investigation, C it's auditing, audit, D it's all of above. Friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. So investigation is the in-depth examination and inspection of a final account of a business firm or a company. So B is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे कौन सा audit is normally presumed to be a non-routine investigation into a performance of a manager or a group of managers. Whether A it's a social audit, B it's a financial audit, C it's the management audit, D it's a non-financial audit. So friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. So management audit is normally presumed to be a non-routine investigation in performance of a manager or a group of managers. So C is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे which types of audit has the much wider scope. Whether A cost audit, B social audit, C it's management audit, D it's the financial audit. So friends, so financial audit has the much wider scope as compared to the cost audit, social audit and management audit. So friends, your D is the right option for this MCQ. So auditing is the luxury for which types of forms of business organization, whether a sole proprietorship, it's a partnership firm, C it's the private company, D it's all the above. So friends, so here A is the right option for this MCQ. Auditing is the luxury for which types of forms of organization, मतलब sole proprietorship. So A is the right option for this MCQ. So next one, first auditor is usually appointed, generally appointed by whom? A shareholders, B it's the central government, C it's the board of directors, D it's the company law board. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. The first auditor is appointed by board of directors. So C is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे audit begins when dash ends. Whether internal check, B it's the accounting, C it's the internal check, D it's vouching. No doubt friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. दोबारा मैं रिपीट करता हूँ, audit begins when the accounting ends. So B is the right option for this MCQ. Friends, so here AASB stands for क्या है? A it's auditing and accounting standards board, B it's auditing and accountants standard board, C it's auditing and assurance standard board, C it's auditing and auditors standard board. So friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. A here stands for that is auditing, then here A stands for assurance, A stands for no doubt standards, and B stands for that is the board. So friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. So last but not the least, so देखते देखते we have already discussed for 59 MCQs, and last but not the least, कौन सा document or dash document is used for the verification of outstanding expenses of a business or a company. Whether A it's journal, B it's journal proper, C it's the ledger, D it's a trial balance. Friends, no doubt friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब journal proper document is used for the verification of outstanding expenses of a business or a company. So friends, so थैंक्स अ लॉट टू ऑल ऑफ यू. सो फ्रॉम बिगनिंग टू टिल एंड आपने ये वीडियो को देखा, और ड्यूरिंग द डिस्कशन इफ इन मिसमैच और गैप यू विल फाइंड, काइंडली गिव योर अवेलेबल कमेंट एंड सजेशन इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. So before concluding our lecture, so I am wishing very all the best, not only the SSB examination but also semester examination and NET and JRF examination. So friends, so I am requesting to all of you, if you have not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe it. If you like this video, kindly share it, kindly forward it, and I am waiting your valuable comment and suggestion. Kindly give your valuable comment and suggestion in the comment section. So thanks a billion to all of you.